Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, JM! Keep safe always dyan, tsaka see you soon.
Au revoir.
Happy birthday, Tito JM. Ingat ka po palagi dyan. See you po real soon. We love you. We love you.
Naku-video yan. Happy birthday, JM!
Hi, my love. Happy birthday. I pray for your good health, for your safety, and for your good sleep. Importante yun. Kailangan hindi ka na maging puyat. And always mag-pray kay Lord. Lagi mo tatandaan yun. And have faith. Huwag kang mawawalan ng pag-asa. Lagi kong nire-remind yun sa'yo. And thank you for being an amazing person. For being caring and loving. I love you forever and always. Always remember yung mga promises sa sa'yo na magkasama pa tayo. Nandito lang ako palagi. And see you soon, my love. I love you forever and always. To my favorite person, to my best friend, and to my soulmate. I love you forever and always. And happy birthday.